The African savanna is massive, visually obstructed, and notoriously dangerous. Out here, threats are often hidden by miles of tall grass and rolling terrain. For most animals, survival relies on a simple biological rule. If you cannot physically see or hear approaching danger, you are entirely vulnerable. But an African elephant matriarch can suddenly halt her herd and change their migration path to avoid a threat over 10 kilometers away. She makes this decision long before a human observer even knows that danger exists. At that distance, she isn't relying on her eyesight. The threat is well beyond the reach of her sense of smell, and no standard airborne sound has reached her ears. To understand how these massive animals navigate the world's most unforgiving landscape, we have to look beneath them. They are tapped into a hidden language vibrating through the earth itself. Elephants produce extremely low-frequency acoustic waves, called infrasound. These sounds fall completely below the threshold of human hearing. Rather than dissipating in the air, low-frequency waves travel efficiently through solid ground, bypassing physical obstacles and rippling across subterranean terrain. Because crucial data moves through dirt, an elephant literally listens to the ground using its feet. An adult African elephant can weigh up to 6,900 kilograms. That immense physical weight presses down on the soil, creating a deep, secure connection with the transmission medium of the earth. Inside those thick, calloused footpads is a highly adapted set of biological hardware. The tissue houses specialized sensory cells that are designed exclusively to detect minute seismic vibrations rising up from the soil. Receiving a physical vibration in the foot is only the first step. The raw signal is useless if the animal cannot understand it. Possessing the biological hardware to receive a signal requires equally advanced biological software to decode what that vibration actually means. Once a seismic signal is detected by the cells in the footpad, it travels rapidly up the nervous system, directly to the brain. The elephant brain weighs over 5 kilograms, making it larger than any other terrestrial animal. This chart compares brain complexity. The elephant's highly convoluted neocortex possesses essentially the same number of cortical neurons as a human. Through convergent evolution, elephants independently developed cognitive complexity, previously thought to belong only to primates and dolphins. This neurological architecture allows the elephant to translate a subtle vibration in its foot into a detailed mental map of a distant threat. That mental map is ultimately put to use by the older female matriarch, the primary decision-maker for the herd. She serves as the living repository of ecological and social knowledge for the entire family unit. Using her seismic intelligence, she actively alters migration paths to guide her family safely away from distant, decoded threats, like approaching storms or rival herds. This seismic capability functions as an active, two-way communication network. Elephants generate their own low-frequency infrasonic rumbles. They project these signals down into the ground, sending messages through the earth to other elephants miles away. The scale of this intelligence is remarkable. They can distinguish between hundreds of distinct low-frequency calls to identify specific individuals in their extended kinship groups. This invisible, long-distance communication creates a massive, unseen support network that binds families together across an incredibly harsh environment. The elephant dominates this landscape through a profound, silent connection to the earth. This network provides the long-distance intelligence needed to keep their families protected and connected across the